Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
The PSEi rallied as high as 6,360 last week, 40 points shy from the nearest resistance level of 6,400. Given that it rallied close to the resistance, the index experienced a temporary correction. Despite the decline, the local benchmark managed to rebound, and it looks like it is ready to retest the 6,400 resistance once again. The indicators we monitor are supportive of this view. Connecting the low points from January 31st low, we are able to draw an uptrend channel which can serve as our guide on the PSEi potential direction.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company. Last February 3rd, we saw MBT retest its long-term support and successfully rebounded. The rebound rally allowed the stock to break out of its 6-month downtrend channel. However, overall market weakness brought the stock slightly lower. Currently, the stock is trading at 72.45 and its technical setup shows that there may be a potential swing play. We may enter the stock at 73.00 and set the target price at 82.00, where its October high was. For risk management, place your stop level at 70.05.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.